AITA for locking the office fridge after repeated lunch thefts. I work in a small office with a shared fridge. Over the past month, my homemade lunches have been stolen multiple times. Not just snacks, full meals gone without a trace. I mentioned it in the group chat, but no one took responsibility. Fed up, I bought a small fridge for my desk and added a lock. Since then, no lunches have disappeared. Last week, a coworker confronted me, calling it weird and selfish, and said it made me look paranoid and excluded from the team. I explained I was protecting my food after repeated thefts. Others have made passive comments implying I'm overreacting. I feel like I'm being treated like the office weirdo for simply taking care of my things. AITA for locking up my lunch to stop it from being stolen.